So you want to know, does SoFi do checks? Ever received a bill in the mail and thought, man, I wish I could just write a check for this? In today's digital age, checks seem almost archaic. But for some things, they're still the preferred method of payment. So, if you're considering SoFi for your banking needs, you might be wondering, does SoFi even offer checks? The answer might surprise you. SoFi walks a fine line between traditional banking and the new wave of fintech apps. Let's dive deeper and explore what SoFi has to offer when it comes to checks, both traditional and digital. Stepping back, SoFi's account options. SoFi offers two main account options, SoFi Checking and SoFi Savings. Their SoFi Checking account is where things get interesting. It functions as a full-fledged checking account with many of the features you'd expect, including a debit card for everyday purchases and ATM access. But what about checks? SoFi and physical checks, yes, but with a twist. Here's the good news, SoFi does indeed offer physical checks. Unlike some online banks that focus solely on digital transactions, SoFi recognizes the continued value of checks. They allow you to order checks directly through their app or website, free of charge. That's right, no hidden fees for getting those familiar pieces of paper in your hands. Now, for the twist. SoFi doesn't mail out pre-printed checks with your account number and routing information. Instead, you receive blank checks. This might seem like a minor detail, but it offers a layer of security. Pre-printed checks can be vulnerable to theft if lost or stolen. Blank checks require you to fill in the recipient's information and the amount each time you write one, minimizing the risk of misuse. SoFi and mobile deposit, convenience for the modern mover. While SoFi offers physical checks, they also embrace the digital world. Their mobile app allows you to deposit checks electronically. This is a fantastic option for those who rarely use physical checks or simply prefer the speed and convenience of a digital solution. Here's how it works. Using the SoFi app, you snap clear pictures of the front and back of your check. The app then processes the information and deposits the funds into your account. The processing time typically takes 1 to 5 business days, which is on par with most mobile deposit services offered by traditional banks. So, should you use checks with SoFi? The decision ultimately boils down to your personal preference and spending habits. If you frequently write checks, SoFi's free check ordering and mobile deposit options make it a viable choice. However, if you rarely use checks and prioritize digital transactions, SoFi's robust mobile app and debit card might be all you need. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Frequent check user, SoFi offers free checks and mobile deposit, making it a convenient option. Rare check user, SoFi's debit card and mobile app provide all the tools you need for most transactions. Beyond checks, SoFi's feature frenzy. While checks are a point of focus today, it's important to remember that SoFi offers a vast array of features beyond just checking and savings accounts. They delve into student loan refinancing, personal loans, investing, and even credit cards. So, if SoFi piques your interest, consider exploring their entire financial product suite. You might be surprised at the one-stop financial shop they've created. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.